Today, I'm going to show you how to make a melon farm. To start, dig a 10 by 10 hole that is 2 blocks deep. Next, 2 blocks from one of the walls, dig down 2 blocks for an entire row. At the bottom, place redstone torches, and then cover it up with building blocks. Do the same on the other side. Then, back on one of the walls, 2 blocks away from the wall, dig down 2, place another redstone torch and a building block, and do the same on the other side. On the side that you did the 2 blocks on, dig out 3 blocks in the corner, and then build a 5 block tall staircase, and build a double chest here, hopper going into that, then place another block right here, comparator going into that block, redstone torch on top of it with a button up here, redstone dust here, powered rail here, and rails going into the hole. Next, go ahead and place rails in this pattern in the hole with powered rails on top of the building blocks you placed so they get powered by the redstone torches. Then go over to this rail right here, break down 2 blocks, place a redstone torch and a building block on top of it with another powered rail. Now go ahead and build a square of building blocks in this pattern. Make sure you break the sides of these 2 sides, that way you can put building blocks here. Do not build over the hole on these sides. Then go ahead and fill in the square of building blocks with dirt. Then break the center block of the dirt, replace it with a stair, and waterlog it. Next, using a hoe, make a checkerboard pattern out of farmland. Now go ahead and put in your melon seeds. Now go ahead and place glowstones in exactly these spots. Next, go up 2 blocks from the center and build a roof. Now go ahead and place pistons above the dirt blocks. Next, go ahead and remove the roof and then go ahead and place observers facing down by placing it on the pistons. Once you're done that, go ahead and place redstone on top of every observer. Now you can go ahead and add your building blocks on top of your pistons. Now go ahead and add glass to the side of it to enclose it. Now all you have to do is add a minecart with hopper on top of your hopper to get it started, and there you go.